Welcome to this tutorial showing how to combine index and match in Excel. Why combine index and match? For a couple of reasons. First, because when you use a VLOOKUP, it only works if the value you want to look up is in the leftmost column of a table, and it can only return a value from a column to the right of it, which is not very convenient because it's not the way that your data is always formatted. Using index and match, it will not be a problem anymore. Also, because when you combine index and match, you can perform a double search, one for the row and one for the column, and that is extremely powerful. Let's go over a couple of examples. Using index and match to replace VLOOKUP. This is our data, showing makes, models, and years for cars. And this is the value that we want to get the make for, Corolla. So ideally, we would like to get Toyota. Let's try with a VLOOKUP. Equals VLOOKUP, our value. And for our data with a VLOOKUP, we have to start here in the second column. And as you can see, it will not be able to grab the make. Therefore, the VLOOKUP cannot work. Now let's try with index and match. We're going to start by the match part of the formula. Equals match. Open parentheses. We want to look up Corolla within our models with an exact match. Closing parentheses, enter 2. So now we know that Corolla is the second value in our list of models. Now we want to get the make. So what is the second value in the list of makes? We're gonna add the index part in the formula. Index, open parentheses, where we want to look for the data. That's our list of makes, comma. The row will be like a match, comma, and 0 for the column because we want to stay within our list of make. Closing parentheses, pressing enter, we get the right value, Toyota. Let's try with Ultimo. Nissan, again, that is correct. Now, in our second example, we will perform a double search by using index and match. This is our data, a list of cities from and to, and we want to get the distance between the from city and the to city. For instance, the distance between Buffalo and Chicago is 454 miles. What's the distance between Dallas and Denver? Equals index, the array, here, that's our data, comma. For the row, we want to use the match. Match, we want to look up the from city in our list of from cities with an exact match, comma. Now for the column, for the to city, another match. We want to look up Denver in our list of to cities, again with an exact match. Closing parentheses to close the match function, and another parenthesis to close the index function. Pressing enter, 663 miles. Let's check. Dallas to Denver, 663 miles. Let's test the formula. Chicago to Boston, 851, Chicago to Boston, 851. Again, a very powerful use of index and match, looking up two values instead of one. This concludes our tutorials about combining index and match. Thanks for watching.